but I have proof. Do you have my phone right now, Anishi? So this is what I do, letting out some secrets. So what I do is I get to know exactly how much my child has eaten and what he's eaten through photographs. This is what comes to me.
Too good.
दीदी वियान ने इतना खाया आज. दीदी आज उसने छोड़ दिया खाना. दीदी कल से ये नहीं भेजेंगे. So I have photographs of foods that go in his tiffin on an everyday basis, and the same with my daughter. I know exactly what's going to school. I know what she's eating at snack time. I've made a timetable, and it's a fortnightly timetable so that the foods don't get repeated. And I remember when I invest, or even if I am endorsing, if I'm leveraging my name to a brand, I do a little bit of due diligence. I first take the product. First, I label read. That's the first stage. And then after that, and also, while we're paying emphasis today only on talking about how moms have to take cognizance and, make sure that, kids are eating healthy and all of that. This is not just about the kids. This is also for the moms to be healthy, or the women to be healthy. Do you all know that label reading is actually the easiest way to lose weight also? Because you know the nutrients at the back of the pack. You know exactly what you want, how much you want, and what you need to omit. Like, high sugar foods, sodium, how much fiber you want in your food, how much protein there is in a noodle packet or a cup of noodles. So I just think that you have to be aware, and that is extremely important. The rest just falls into place. If you're just living and eating in awareness, half your battle is won there.
माँ होना आसान बात नहीं है, और बॉलीवुड में माँ होना तो और भी मुश्किल है. हम सब अपने बच्चों की खाने पीने की आदत को लेकर बहुत चिंतित होते हैं, क्योंकि बच्चे कभी अपनी सुनते ही नहीं. लेकिन क्या आपने सोचा है कि बॉलीवुड की माएँ अपने बच्चों के खाने पीने का ध्यान कैसे रखती है, खास तौर से जब वो शूट पर पूरा दिन बाहर रहती है. इस राज का पर्दाफाश किया है फिटनेस आइकॉन शिल्पा शेट्टी ने. जी हाँ, शिल्पा ने अपने मोबाइल में बताया कि कैसे वो अपने बच्चे का खाने पीने का ट्रैक करती है. जब माँ इतनी फिट हो तो बच्चे तो हेल्दी खाएंगे ही.